It's your boy, Rigo, and I'm back with another video, man. I'm here with my boy,
Sergio. You know what's going on.
Hell yeah, we got a little mukbang for y'all, man. You know, we got some little Popeyes in the building. Popeyes, it's been a whole minute, bro. This damn quarantine shit, dude, it's not working for me. I got me a little biscuit. I'm saying a little biscuit from Popeyes. What you got, bro?
I got the spicy chicken sandwich, bro.
The biscuits, dude.
Shit smacks. Damn, boy.
Fuck! Dude, this is so good.
Get it close.
I can't even eat this shit, but dude, I'm hungry, dude.
Damn, boy. That shit's stupid.
Pinche mierda bien seca, dude. Como un pinche de... I'm gonna choke! Dios mío. Hold on, dude, for real. Dude, I was choked. Dude, I don't care. Sprite is the best drink in the world, dude. I don't care. Hold on, I'm gonna mix it with my bang. Man, but how y'all been, man? How's y'all family? I hope they safe, you know, I hope they healthy, all that. Lean, double cup. Man, I'm gonna stop. But look, man. Sorry been lacking. Just not been in the mood. But
You need to post more, though.
I promise to y'all, dude, I'm gonna post. Shut up, dude. Dude, look at this shrimp, dude. Fuck. Yeah, but I'm gonna try my best to post, dude. Like, if we go on vacation, just wait, dude. Bangers after bangers, dude. Once this quarantine is over with.
I guess we're seniors now.
Dude, we're seniors, bro. Oh, my God.
I can't wait to get out this bitch.
Dude, I'm not going to college after high school. I'm not going. I don't care.
I definitely am.
I'm not, dude. Pillsbury, dude. The reason why I'm not going is because I know if I go, I'll probably drop out the second, third day, dude. Cause all that mathematics shit, dude. That's my worst subject. And they're gonna want us to do like 3 projects in one day, all that. I'm not doing that. Where you going, Pillsbury?
We'll go to Mississippi and then transfer somewhere.
Dude, I'm not going to college. I know, dude. I'm not going. I already know that, dude.
What if YouTube don't work out?
Stop it, dude. No, I'm not working at fast food ever in my life, dude. That shit is horrible, bro. I mean, honey bear, dude. I'm finna be a stripper. Fuck it, dude. They gonna come see me if I do. Call me honey bear. But we're seniors, dude. That's crazy, dude.
Hell yeah. Can't wait to get out this school.
I know, dude. Oh my God, dude. I can't wait. I don't like it. I mean, I do. I mean, it's crazy. Cause, dude, it went by so fast. High school went by so quick. It was, I remember I was in 9th grade, dude. I was so nervous walking into that big ass school, not knowing I mean, I knew some people, but I ain't know them like that. I ain't fuck with them like that. But, I was a little nervous. But after, dude, I started being myself, you know. That's all that matters, just be yourself. ¡No estás hablando por qué! ¡Habla! ¡Ay! ¡Cabrón, no te mueras! Dude, un gran curso, bro. Dude, my stomach, dude. Man.
I gained some fucking weight. I good to God.
You see this? I'm finna be looking like this.
It's been a minute since I've been on YouTube video.
My God, dude, I'm sorry about that, dude. I'm with my nigga like that. You know, he's funny. When we got a mukbang, you know it's a banger. It's gonna be funny. Right now, I'm just gonna upload whatever, dude. If I'm cooking something, I'm gonna upload it. If I'm,
Some vlog.
On God, dude. I used to have like, right now I could have had like 20 videos, but I deleted so much because I didn't think they were like good, but I regret it. But I'm gonna have vlogs for y'all. But yeah, man. Hey, go ahead, put out your chips or whatever. A little snack.
Rigo, what you been up to though? During quarantine shit.
2K, Apex Legends. That PH. What are you doing, step bro? I'm saying that's a daily routine. Wake up. What you doing, step bro? Eat. Play video games. Night.
What you doing?
What you doing, step bro? Aside. We're going crazy, bro. And I got a little story time coming for y'all. Oh God, this shit gonna be funny. Oh my God, dude. You got Sprite, right? Échale un poco, chale. Dude, fat niggas got the best taste buds ever, dude. On God, they do.
Oh,
No, ahorita que lo pruebas. You're done! Almost! Sergio! I'm still on my shrimp?
yeah. You got shrimp and biscuit, though. I only had...
Popeye got the best biscuits in the world. I don't care. Chale, dude.
Hold on.
Hey, y'all comment down below how y'all been. What y'all been up to down below, man? Comment. I got it, dude. Hey, look. Buy this, bang. Hey, this ain't no promotion, though. Voy a morir. Hey, bro, get this. Blue Raz, bang, and get Sprite. Mix that bitch together.
Damn.
I got you hip.
Stop it.
I got you hip. I got y'all hip. Just do it. Try it. I'm telling y'all. I'm come on now. Dude, that is different. Oh yeah, so your birthday finna come up. My dude finna be 17. I'm saying we finna go. Dude, we can't do nothing, dude.
But when this quarantine shit's over, though, I'm gonna throw a pool party.
We having a pool party. This shit finna be dumped, dude.
And y'all better come.
On God, y'all finna come, dude. We finna have that shit finna be dumped like last time. Remember? That shit was lit as fuck, bro. Hey, y'all remember? Y'all know what I'm talking about? Hey, what happened that night? Dude, whatever happened there, dude, happens there. They just know who we talking about. Hey, come on now, we know that shit, dude. Ese se empieza cualquier persona. Whatever happens there, happened there, dude. Just know, something went down. She gonna know. But that night was funny, dude. It was hell, dude. It was fun too. The next morning, we all got in the pool again. We turned the fuck up. But yeah, we were gonna have one, but we couldn't because of this damn coronavirus. But once it's over, y'all gonna have to come. Y'all gonna have to slide. Most definitely turn up, tee up for my dude. You know, 17. Dude, I'm already full. I'm probably not gonna finish all of it. Oh, dude, I gotta pasear si sirven. Me llenan.
Like, oh shit, that shit is fat as hell.
Dude, that's fat. Dude, that look like my Betty. But that's not the spicy one, dude. Oh, it's not. Hey, let's put them all out.
Oh my god. Alright, Bob. In the comments, bro. Who better? Right away.
Dude!
Or Boogie with the hoodie, man. So,
Rod Wave is 10 times better than Boogie.
Bro,
He has nothing on him, dude.
Right away music sounds the same. Every song sounds the same. I don't give a fuck.
What? Dude, no. Boogie claims to be the king of no, dude. No, he's not. But Rod Wave is 10 times better than Boogie. I don't care. Dude, Rod Wave is an upcoming rapper. Dude, he's out. You're done.
Where the fuck my fries go?
You just ate them.
Man, you ate them.
You ate it.
I guess I did.
But back with what I was saying. Rod Wave is an upcoming rapper. You know, he's getting big. He's already big, but he's not up there. Like, Boogie is up there.
Yeah, exactly.
Because he's been in the rap game
Wave
since
for
2016 or
40.
2015,
Exactly.
something like that. Rod Wave just joined last year, like the end, towards the end of 2018. Not even 2018, the end, like the beginning of 2019, dude. He didn't get big until like the end of 2019, dude.
I guarantee you he's been trying his whole life.
No, he
I
hasn't.
guarantee you he's been trying.
Look it up, dude. Y'all comment down below, dude. Who's better, dude? Rod Wave or Boogie? Y'all better say Rod Wave. Come on now. Heart been broke so many times. Don't want to get copyrighted. Come on now. I know y'all fuck with him better than Boogie, dude. Who listens to him? Except for girls, dude.
Dude, stop. Everybody.
Except for girls, dude. Nobody listens
Stop.
to him.
Yes, they do.
If they do, dude, there's some fine ass niggas that do then.
Alright, then what the fuck you think I'm watching for? Listening to it, I'm in.
Come on now.
Alright, everybody listen to Boogie. Stop it.
Dude, comment down below who's better, please. I'm about tired of him, dude. I'm about tired of him. Dude.
And he's a king of New York. I don't know.
6ix9ine is the king of New York. My uncle, he is the king of New York, dude. 11 Billboard, dude. All of his songs went platinum, dude. Who does that? Who can do that? Not Boogie, not NBA, none of them, dude. Nobody can do what he did, dude. I don't care what y'all got. He's a snitch, dude. I don't care. I'm gonna snitch too, dude. I'm not gonna be in jail for my how much? 40-something years?
69 or something.
Hell nah, dude. I'm not doing that, dude. I'm too young. All this money is not going to waste, dude. I'm snitching on everybody. I don't care. Y'all cannot fuck with me after that. I'm snitching, dude. I don't care. You call me a raton, you can call me a culebra. I don't care. I'm snitching. It's easy, dude. Simple. He's the king of New York, dude. And once he's out of house arrest for the 4 months, when is that? May, June, July, August, dude. Going crazy. You just know the one song he drops, going Billboard, dude. Just because of all this, dude, I just know he's going to start trolling again, dude. Once he does this, nobody's stopping him, dude. Nobody's going to stop him. No, he's not, dude.
Whatever, get off the topic, dude.
Yeah, because you know all them going to be like Rod Wave.
Boogie's definitely better.
Who better?
Bro, he got two different voices. That's so unique. Rod Wave sounds the same. Same flow. Nah, whatever. I'm not.
No, hold on.
Stop
Wait,
it, bro.
not the
Stop
no.
it. Stop it.
Rod Wave can sing.
Rod Wave can sing sad shit all the time.
He can rap. What are you talking about?
Same flow, same beat, same everything, every song.
He raps in his songs, and he sings, dude. He be
He's
like,
not rapping.
yes,
this
he does.
song.
What are you talking? Listen to the greatest, dude. The greatest. He sings that, and then he goes to rapping like quick, dude. That shit is hard, and then he sings his heart out, dude. Yeah, dude. No.
Stop it. Alright, bro. Talk about something else.
Hey, what y'all think about Whole Lotta Red, Whole Lotta Kid? That shit finna be. I don't care. I used to say I didn't like him, Playboy, but he's actually, he's straight. After that, At Me, that shit low key hard, dude.
That shit is trash.
Dude, that shit is hard. I don't care.
Yo, I don't know how that got on anything. That shit was so bad.
Dude, because everybody gonna tee up when he dropped this Whole Lotta Red album. On God, he is. But, man, that's going to be it for the video. I don't want to make it too long for y'all. I hope y'all enjoyed it. It might be a little, not entertaining, but hopefully y'all actually watch the whole thing, Man, we trying to survive out here, man. We come from the trenches, dude, I come from the trenches. I don't know about him.
Stop it.
Dude, come on now. Man, that's it for the video, man. If y'all enjoyed the video, make sure y'all like this video. Comment down below who better, Rod Wave or Boogie. Subscribe, and don't forget, hit that little notification, bell down below, man. Peace. What you gotta say, man? Anything else?
I'm gonna see y'all. Just remember to comment, like, subscribe, everything.
Peace.